Hope you guys enjoyed that. I enjoyed making it. Took me back to my good old days of video editing, montages and all. There's more in the works. I'm also trying to get my other video style going. It's all about finding your YouTube voice. With that being said, if you like what you saw here, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and as always, I love you and have a nice day.